Hey everybody, welcome to OC's Daily Meditation, where you can come every day, get a short 3 to 5 minute meditation in, followed up by an affirmation to help guide you towards having a positive day today. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and sit up straight. We're going to take a nice deep breath and just focus your attention and your awareness on your breathing for the next 3 to 5 minutes. You don't have to keep track of time, I'll do that for you. And don't worry if your mind starts to wander, because it will. When it does, just use it as an opportunity to return your attention back onto your breathing, and do that as many times as you need to. You don't need to try and control your breathing or slow it down. Just breathe normally and place your attention and awareness on it. Alright, so sitting up straight, eyes closed, take a nice deep breath. Now we'll pull us out of the meditation. We're done. It completes our meditation for the day. And our daily affirmation is the nature and source of all things is good. The nature and source of all things is good. The nature and source of all things is good. So the reason I want you to use this affirmation today and to kind of adopt that belief or that thought is because it will lead you towards optimism. It'll lead you towards looking for the good, the possibility of a good outcome in any situation, even when it appears negative. So if something goes wrong, or something bad happens, or you lose somebody who's close to you, or you lose a job, or anything bad happens, the natural instinct is to feel that loss, to feel that hurt, to feel that bad, and that's okay to feel that. But if you adopt the belief or the thought system that the nature and source of all things is good, it's comforting to know that whatever comes from your loss or from your negative situation will result in something that is good, because it's coming from a place of love. And everything that happens in the long run will lead to something that is good, to something that's lasting, to something that's beautiful, to something that's positive, if we allow time to bring us to that space. Now, you can believe that this is true or untrue, and it doesn't really matter. The point is to adopt the belief, or to at least use, even if you don't believe it, to at least use the affirmation, because it'll help you to get through the difficult times if you do believe that the nature and the source of all things is good, from a place of love, a source of love, from a start or a beginning of goodness. Alright? So this is just about being able to be more optimistic and to feel safe and comforted in that thought. Alright? I hope this helps all of you. I hope it helps some of you. I hope it helps whoever needs it right now. I love you. I appreciate you for following me. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Do me a favor, hit subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on my Facebook page, OC's Daily Meditation, like the video and invite your friends and family to like the page, so we get more people watching and self-reflecting, giving themselves love and giving others love, and becoming more aware, more conscious, and living a more conscious life instead of doing unconscious things, which so many of us do regularly every single day. Let's start living conscious lives. Much love. I'll see you guys tomorrow.